The cabin filter is located in the left corner of the footwell, under the glove box. Pinch the sides of the securing clips and pull down to remove them. Remove the bottom panel. Using a T15 Torx driver, remove the housing cover screw. Pinch the tabs on the side of the housing and remove the housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the back of the car. You will need to compress your new filter in order to install it into the housing. Once inside the housing, rotate the filter so that the pleats are running vertically. The filter will expand back to its original shape. Align the top of the housing cover and then press the bottom to lock it into place. Reinstall the screw. Reinstall the bottom panel and its securing clips.
Order your parts today at Filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.